Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need 2 Macs with Thunderbolt ports and a proper Thunderbolt cable. Once connected, you start configuring the link. Connect the cable firmly to both machines, then on each Mac open System Settings. Older Mac OS uses System Preferences. Make sure you're logged in as an admin so you can add network interfaces. Once done, go to Network Settings to prepare a new interface called Thunderbolt Bridge. This first step establishes the physical and software presence you'll configure next. You'll add a Thunderbolt Bridge network interface and set IPs so the 2 Macs can talk directly. Click the plus button, choose Thunderbolt Bridge, then assign manual IP4 addresses on the same subnet, one Mac 192, 168, 2, 1 and the other 192, 168, 2, 2 with mask 255, 255, 255, 0. Once configured, make sure file sharing or target services are enabled in sharing preferences. This lets you move files or use screen sharing. Then test connectivity with ping to confirm packets pass between the machines. Finish by verifying the bridge with ping and a file copy. You should see very low latency and high throughput on Thunderbolt 3/4 hardware. If transfer fails, make sure both ends show Thunderbolt Bridge is active, check the cable and that ports aren't limited by adapters, and confirm Mac OS allowed the new network. Sometimes a security prompt blocks traffic. If still stuck, disable the firewall briefly or add a sharing exception and recheck IPs. That usually resolves connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.